Welcome, in front of me I have ASUS ROG Phone 5 and today I will show you how fingerprint sensor works when you put on the display tempered glass. As you can see on the ROG Phone 5, I put the tempered glass, so we can spot it right here. And right now we are going to check how this sensor works, so let's go. Let's make like 5 tries or something like that. So let's get it. As you can see, it works really fast. There's no any problem with the touch interaction or sensor sensitivity, so we can say that it's reliable. Okay, right now it was the face unlock. As you can see, there's no problems, and when you put tempered glass on your display in ASUS ROG Phone 5, your fingerprint sensor will work really good. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.